In this video tutorial, we will learn whenever we are writing something in columns, okay, we will adjust the size of columns automatically, okay, to automatically adjust the size of column as we write. For example, right now we didn't adjust, okay, for example, we are write name, okay, we have extra spaces on the right side, okay, but if we are writing a length by date of birth, then we are obliged, okay, to extend the column size, okay, like this. But instead of this, let's adjust the size of columns as we write, okay. So for that, let's right click on the sheet, okay, this is sheet 5, right click on this, then view code, okay. After view code, come here and let's move it up, and here we will select worksheet from the drop down. After that, let's write here cells dot entire column dot autopit. That is okay. Okay, so let's close it now. Close it back. Now let's write, okay, for example, here I would like to write date of birth. See, the previous two was autopit, okay, adjusted the size of column. See, adjusted, okay. Let's write, for example, serial number. See, the serial number size has adjusted. So as you write, it will autopit the column size, okay. So it was all about, okay, adjusting the cell size as you write. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.